Let's say you create a variable and you put 42 inside. The type of your variable is, for instance, int. And at the physical level, inside your computer, you will have to store this 42 value at a certain address in memory. And now, let's say that I want to create another variable. And I want to store in that variable the address of the first variable. Here, the type will be pointer to int because we store an address to an integer. And this variable has also an address. Nothing new here. Each variable has an address. It lives somewhere in the memory of the computer. We say here that this variable of type pointer to int, it points to the original variable that has 42 inside. It's a pointer to a variable. Here is an official definition. A pointer is a data item that specifies the location of another data item. Here in my program I have a variable age and I put 42 inside. By default, the type of age would be int. Now, let's say that I want to take the address of age. So I'm going to create a new variable p and I'm going to take the address of age. So I use the ampersand sign. With the ampersand, you can take the address of something. Ampersand, take the address. Now let's try to print this variable p to see what's inside. So when you print it, you will have something like that. This is an hexadecimal number. It starts with a 0 and an x, and this represents an hexadecimal number. This is the address inside your memory. So here, p is of type pointer to int. You denote that with a star and then the type. It points to an int. What I can do now is I can use the dereferencing operator, which is also the star, in order to follow the address. So I use the dereferencing operator, the star, to follow the address. Let's take a look at what this program outputs. So you can see first that I have the address, and then because I'm using the dereferencing operator, I'm following the address, so I've got 42.